Excel has a handy new feature. What happens when you look at a spreadsheet, sometimes it can be a little hard to see where your active cell currently is. So you can click on a cell, and from the View tab, there's an option called Focus Cell. And if you click the drop arrow, it has two options. If I click Focus Cell, what it does is highlights the row and the column that my cursor is currently in. As soon as I move columns or cells or whatever, it automatically adjusts. Now mine's come up with green on the screen. I can easily change the color by clicking the drop arrow and choosing focus cell color and picking a different color. So this is a really handy way of making your data visually stand out. It doesn't print, it just displays on screen. To switch the focus cell feature off, you simply click on the icon and there it is, it's all gone. So that's focus cells in Excel 365.